Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about node blocks in Revit, how we can use them and how we can create them. So first of all, in a simple manner, if I'll say why we use node blocks, it's very simple actually. So for example, if you are having multiple views placed on multiple sheets and you want to describe something about any element or what you placed on the layout or like that way. So for that one, you can use notebooks in a practical manner. You'll see in this particular video. So let's start how we can create the notebooks. At the first place, let me create some elements right here in this particular layout so that we'll have a better understanding. So let me go for okay, VAVs right now. I'm just placing randomly. It does not matter what you are showing on your layout or not showing on your layout for what we can say for node blocks. Okay, node blocks are not linked with your element. Okay, so I just created three VAVs right here for representation purpose only. At the first place, let's create node block from scratch. So for that one, I'll click on file option right here, click on new, annotation symbol, English, and I'll go for annotations because node blocks are annotations actually. And click on metric, generic annotation, click on OK, and the new window will be opened. That is for family creation. I'll delete those text written right there. Click on create, label, click right here at the center. My category will be generic annotation. So I'll create a new parameter, two new parameters actually, numbers and description. So I'll click on new parameter. You can select any of these, either family parameter or the schedule parameter. Right now I'll go for schedule parameter because I like them. I'll go for instance parameter, click on select. Okay, right here, I'll click on edit because I just want to create shared parameter. So this kind of dialog box will be opened. Now for that one, I'll create a group first place. So I'll give a name as not block. You can give any name. It is not directly linked with your actual, elements. But for, relatability, I'll just give the same name right here. So I'll click on OK. So I just created a group, but inside the group, I'll create the parameters. Okay. So I'll click on new right here and I'll go for number, for example. I'll go for text data type. Okay. Again, I just create a new one, description as well. Again, text. Okay. Click on OK. Two parameters I created. I'll go for right here for number. Okay. Number is shown right here. Click on under which group parameter you want to show this one. I'm okay with the text. Click on OK. Numbers right here. I can drag this one. Additionally, I have to drag the description as well. Click on shade again, select description, okay. Instance again under text, okay, fine. But I'll just show for this particular node block family as number only, and description I can add in my schedule part. Why I created the shade parameter? Because I just want to show that one in schedule as well. Now, the sample value will be 2 digits sample value. So I'll go for 01 as of now for this, showing purpose. So it's right here. I'll move it at the center a bit and then around than this, I just want to create a circle as well. So I'll click on create right here. Click on line and then I'll go for circle. Click at the center. Let me go for 4 mm probably. Yeah, I think it's fine. But definitely if I want to change the text style and those kind of stuffs, you can change. So for example, if I want to go for 2 mm, so I'll go for 2.5 mm, sorry. Let me go for 2.5 mm, okay, and this one 2.5. Click on OK. But now text is very smaller, so I'll go for 3 mm radius. Now it seems okay. Now I'll load this one in the project. I can place this family right here. You can see it is question mark because a number is not filled and those kind of stuff. So I will fill that one, but at the first place it's family 2. So I just want to rename this one. So I'll go right here in my project browser, family 2, the main title. Let me rename as not block family. This is the main family, but inside that one as well, I just want to rename this one. So I'll click on rename and not one, for example. Okay, okay, perfect. So I already renamed the family. Now in this one, for example, there are three, VAVs. So I just want to show this one as number one, and this is VAV1. Parallelly, I'll place the same one as right here as well. But for this one, I'll go for 2, VAV2. But definitely you can add whatever you want, okay? I'm just showing you for this video purpose only. Right here as well, you just added 3. And this is 3 as well, okay? Now, this is our layout. For example, this is one Mac, right? So let me create a sheet and let me place this layout on the sheet. So I'll go for sheets, right? Like new sheet. Okay, and I'll add that one Mac view in this one. Okay, so there are three, what we can say, node blocks that we used. So let's create a schedule for node blocks. So for that one, I'll click on schedule, right click, new node block, and I'll select my family. That is, okay, I just named as node block family. Okay, no worries. You can rename the node block schedule from right here as well. So I'll go for schedule, click on OK. Perfect. What do you want to add? I just want to go for number and description. Okay, that's clear. Now click on OK. Perfect. But for this one, I'll go and filter and I'll add one more thing, that is filter by sheets. Why it should be useful and how it is should be useful, we'll see. Click on OK. Now let me go for my sheet. Now if I'll place that schedule on this one, it will automatically checks how many nodes are placed on this particular sheet. And how we are sure about that one, let me create a new sheet and let me duplicate that mechanical with detailing, and inside this one let me add one more. Okay, let me go with 4 and let me go with VAV4 as well. Clear. Now if I'll go in my sheet, let me drag this one in this particular view. There are 4 VAVs, right? Sorry, 4 nodes. But if I'll add the same schedule in this one, you'll see there are 4 options for rows, right? If I'll add one more, for example, this one as well, and I'll go for 5. Let me describe. 5 is, for example, 5 is AHU, okay? AHU01, and 6 is, for example, electrical. I'm just giving any random things, okay? So if you'll see your schedule as well, it will automatically update based on that one. If you'll delete something, for example, I'll delete this one, it will again reflects in a right way. So that is why node blocks are useful. And additionally, we have modified in this one, but if I'll go in my previous sheet, it only have 3. So that is how it is useful. You can use the same node block schedule for multiple sheets. You do not need to duplicate the hard one. You do not need to revise the hard one every time. Whatever you are using on your layouts or in any of the views, it will reflect the same one on your sheet. So that is why node blocks are very useful. So I hope you understand about node block things in this particular video. So let's meet in my next video.